Hello, welcome to class. How you guys doing? I hope everyone is fine. So, on our lesson today, we shall be doing some reading comprehension and multiple choice questions. I will read out the passage to you and you will listen very carefully so that you can understand it much more better. And after I finish reading it, I am also going to read out the questions to you. So now let us start with the passage. Our story for today is about Nellie. Now please listen carefully. This is Nellie. She is a nurse. She is tall and thin. She works at the hospital. She takes care of sick people. She gets up at 6 o'clock in the morning. She takes a shower and puts on her clothes. Then she eats breakfast at 6:30. At 7 o'clock, she drives her car to the hospital. Nellie starts work at 8 o'clock. She cleans the rooms in the hospital and helps the doctors. At 12 o'clock, she has lunch. She goes home at 5 o'clock. At home, she takes a shower and cooks dinner. She has dinner at 6:30 in the evening. Then she watches TV. At 10 o'clock, she goes to bed. That was the story. Now let's read the questions and answers for the first time. Let's begin. Question number 1. What is her name? A. Her name is Nellie. B. She is Nellie. C. Her name is Lucy. Question number 2. Is she short? A. No, she isn't. B. Yes, she is. C. She is tall. Question number 3. Can she drive a car? A. Yes, she can. B. No, she cannot. C. She has a car. Question number 4. What time does she get up from bed? A. She gets up at 8 o'clock. B. She gets up at 6 o'clock. C. She gets up in the morning. Question number 5. What time does she come back home? A. She comes back in the evening. B. She comes back after work. C. She comes back home at 5 o'clock. Question number 6. Where does she eat lunch? A. She eats lunch at school. B. She eats lunch at work. C. She eats lunch at home. Question number 7. What time does she start work? A. She starts work at 7 o'clock. B. She starts work at 4 o'clock. C. She starts work at 8 o'clock. Question number 8. Where does she eat dinner? A. She eats dinner at work. B. She eats dinner at home. C. She eats dinner in the park. Question number 9. Does she cook dinner at home? A. Yes, she does. B. She is a good cook. C. She can cook. Question number 10. What time does she go to bed? A. She goes to bed at 12 o'clock. B. She goes to bed at 2 o'clock. C. She goes to bed at 10 o'clock. Question number 11. Where does she work? A. She works in a hospital. B. She works in a school. C. She works in a park. Question number 12. Is she tall? A. She is tall. B. Mary is tall. C. Yes, she is. Question number 13. What job does she do? A. She is a doctor. B. She works in a hospital. C. She is a nurse. Question number 14. What does she do in the hospital? A. She cleans the hospital. B. She helps the doctors. C. She cleans the room and helps the doctors. Question number 15. Is Nelly good at her job? A. Yes, she is. B. No, she isn't. C. She likes her job. So write the questions and also choose the correct answers in your notebook. After you finish, please send your work to me. I would like to check it. And that will be all for our lesson today. And thank you very much for attending this class. Until next time that we shall meet again, please be safe and goodbye.